What we need is a positive mindset. Eskom is not a problem. Think positively. You don't have 10 hours of electricity, but you do have 14 hours of electricity.
Today was fantastic. We had Dr. Sooliman, who was talking about his experience of living a purposeful life and making a difference to humanity.
My message has been one of hope about taking ownership of the country, because I make it clear the country does not belong to the government. It belongs to 65 million people.
And when the 2022 floods came, who were the real heroes? Ordinary South Africans. Ordinary South Africans came forward not to get a tax certificate, not to get SED, not to get BE points, not to get media coverage. The humanity overrode everything. And that's the greatness of South Africans.
We had Caitlyn to be talking on finding your purpose and to stop numbing.
There's something that's in your hands that's straight right in front of you. And it won't be this big arrow pointing from heaven. If God wanted to do it, he'd do it on his own. He wants you. He put you here. He wants you to be part of this KZN beautiful picture that's unfolding. And it is beautiful, friends.
And I spoke very much on don't be mad, make a difference.
What if we could become nation changers and history makers? What if all 500 of us in this room left here going, today I realized that I've been boxing beneath my weight category and there's something in me that needs to happen.
So I think what we wanted was a message where people left feeling inspired, positive, more purposeful, find that one thing that calls out to them. And if they work on that one thing, each person, 500 people, focusing on that one thing and not on the problem but on the solution.
Either we can sit back and complain or moan and cry, or we can get up and do something about it.
We find a way around difficulties, as they say, the boer maak 'n plan. So anything is possible.
I always wondered why somebody didn't do something about that. Then I realized I was somebody.
We have a word, it's called barakah, which means blessing beyond measure. Blessings flows, spirituality flows, goodness flows. And when that happens, no matter what the challenges are, you will fix the country.